plan for today, we're gonna roll Cuddles out, we're gonna change these plugs and test that, and then I'm basically gonna be gone from then on. We've got gates opening at 11. Right now it's 8 o'clock. I'm gonna have a coffee, do some stretches, and then we're gonna get into it, so let's go. Damn, what was that? All right, looks like we've got an electrical problem here. Just cut out, but we've still got voltage up here. Okay, now it goes. That is odd. Don't even know what we did. What's going on here, mate?
That's fucking mad. I can't even remember when I got those. Lexanis. Oh, they're me freaking Walmart tires. Well, we'll have them for next year.
Reckon the plugs needed changing, or things you just don't realize how bad they get. Like on methanol, they should not be really looking like that, and that just looks way better. So the weirdest thing happened this morning. All right, I got in, flicked the ignition switch on, all good. Ran the starter, it kicked, and then I flicked the fuel pump on. Everything died. Like, what the hell? Did it a few times. It's doing the same thing. I'm like, what the hell's going on? All right, so we've swapped the plugs over. We've tightened up that electrical thing. We're gonna give it a little hit here and see if it works. Start it again.
So you turn the pump on and
That's the fuel pump.
it cuts everything out.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I've got it. Under the dash, there's two 12-volt distribution boards. One of them is not done up in the fucking splitter thing, so it's just sitting in there. The Allen key isn't done up. Explains everything. Explains literally everything.
Yep.
Hey, Hinch, have you got Allen keys?
Should be hanging like that.
Yeah, you can get in there now. I went in there this
Dude,
morning.
I think we're on. I think we're on, bro.
We're
That
good.
explains it.
Yeah.
I need Allen keys.
What's the morning report from Austin?
Morning report. It's going to be a little warm today. Good weather. Cuddles should be running. Archie looks ready. Sun's in his eyes. Could have brought sunglasses. We're here, feeling good. And hopefully one of these boys, actually no, not hopefully, one of these boys is bringing that eagle home.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, you see, you know.
Multiple eagles.
Which one are you in? Which comp?
Rivals.
Rivals.
Mm.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, there. You could get 2 trophies. You got probably one of the best cars on this side of the Mississippi. You know,
Yeah. But, you know, in my car, I've got all the commitment.
Ah, that's true. It's your car.
You know?
Be careful, because we got a lot of fans out there that might be thinking you're swingers and just upside down pineapples.
Yeah. And they're fresh taillights too, so.
Yeah.
Dude, as loose as that possibly could have been, it was. It was like back all the way out.
It explains why
Right.
it was cutting out.
Now we're gonna test it.
And now, you're gonna not be an ass.
Four of the plugs weren't on.
Well, at least you know it runs on 4.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got that was on a 2-step then, or
You testing that?
No, it shouldn't be on.
yeah.
Yeah, what's the go with it? If it sees power,
Yeah, you can put these on. Okay.
you just cut it?
Yeah, mine's not hooked up.
Why would it be getting powered now?
I don't fucking know. It's hooked up to the trans brake. So if the trans brake is seeing power, it'll be, the two-step will be active.
You've got 10 seconds left to cut the pink wire. You have to blur this part out. All the secrets are there.
What a friggin' roller coaster, man. I'm like going from this to this, like I fully thought we had it, man. I fully thought we had it. I don't know why it's cutting out, and it pisses me off that I don't know why. Like, I'm out of options apart from that crank sensor, which is a brand new Delphi, but that's the only thing I can think of.
So I reckon we get in the pits, let it cool down. I'll suss it out. And if it's not meant to be, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'd prefer to see it drive on the trailer today than get a set off and not drive on the trailer, or get half a set off. And yeah, so if you want, take this in. I'll bring you back out in the Prius, the hire car.
Yeah.
And then we'll get the RV. Right. Because we can't leave Bounder over there on his own. You get lonely.
Bless you, Cameron. You lighten the mood. It's good. We got Adam and Jason Kelly coming to Australia next year. So now is the part of the day where I break away from the group. I've come down to the pad to check it out. We've got Josh over here on the sweeper. He's the man with all the answers. So like I said, never been here before, not sure what to do, not sure what to expect. So I'm just gonna obviously make myself available in case they need me, or if they want to do a briefing or anything like that. It's just gonna be an unbelievable experience, and I'm just so grateful to be here. The car, man, the car hasn't run all year. I'm ending the year on a major low with that thing. I don't know what to do. I don't know why it's cutting out. It really irks me when I don't know how to fix things. I've told the boys, act as if it's your car. And if you're testing it and something happens, it blows up or something happens, do not worry. I don't care. I want them to have the freedom to fix the car as they see fit. And Cameron and I have come to an understanding that whatever happens, happens. And if they can get it out on the pad, it's going to be a surprise, because I'm not going to know. I'm not going to know whether or not they get it running. So anyway, just went in there, I met Johnny and Josh. Those are the guys that are going to be running the stream, and obviously the pad and the track. The manager of the Freedom Factory. So I think I can see Cleetus just down here actually. So it's going to give us some time to go and talk to the drivers, make sure that I've got all the details in my memory bank, and make sure that this can go as good as it possibly can. So absolutely surreal experience here. Crazy. Oh, he's killing it. Hey, there's the man here. What's going on?
I just got here.
Good to see you. Yeah, let's go. Time to be alive. Tell me what you just told me.
What I just told you?
Yeah.
Driver, buddy.
What are you driving?
Skids for Kids Silverado right there.
Boom. Oi. Are you pumped or what?
Fuck yeah.
If you like the video, hit the like button. It really helps me out. Consider subscribing to the channel if you guys love this stuff as much as us. We're gonna be doing this stuff for the rest of our life. That's the entry chute. We're just trying to suss out whether or not we can actually turn around in there. And I'm pretty sure we can. The vibes in the pits are absolutely cranking. The boys just cruised over and parked all the cars up in a row. And man, when I tell you, it was one of the greatest moments of my life, seeing my car come over the hill at the Freedom Factory. It's indescribable, man. We got all the cars lined up there. Cameron's told me he's taken it for a run up and down, and he's given it hell, and it's not cutting out. We took some fuel out of the idle, and it's cleaned up. I think we're on. The crowd's starting to come in now. The cars are getting a ridiculous amount of attention, and it's just great. It's just awesome. So I just went and quickly ran and grabbed some merch. We've got the bucket hats, we got the, if you can see them there, the Military Sunnies, and we got a couple of Cuddles shirts. I'm gonna give these to Cameron. If he so chooses, he can throw them out to the crowd. We are set up, ready to go. We've got comms, I've got a show program, and I'm just about to get my microphone. We are set to go. We are kicking off here in 10 seconds. I'm on the mic, let's go.
The guy who's driving my dogs, I'm scared.
Up next, we have the BH Commodore driven by...
buy a VH now. Dude! Hell yeah! That was epic! Dude, Cameron killed that.
He's the man in the passenger seat.
Oh, was that not great?
Dude.
Sounded good,
Yeah.
felt good. I have no clue what it looked like on the outside, but the inside, chef's kiss.
It looked good, man.
His
It
suit
looked
was
good.
tight, we got it on video, suit was tight, future was bright.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
man.
Let's go. Third place in the pros. Craig Bailey and Imposter. $1,500. Aussies. Now I can tell you that the top three in the pros are all Aussies. Second place, $2,500. Mick Hitchens.
Yeah! You mad dog!
First place. That skid was absolutely.
Yes, Jacko!
I don't know how. That's unreal.
Holy shit!
It's only 72.
It sounds like 10,000.
Yeah, it does.
Jacko.
Oh, absolutely. What the hell? Dude, that's about 6 times what's in my bank account right now, so let's go.
Yeah!
Jacko, guys. Thanks for going.
Jacko!
Let's go!
Holy shit!
Dude, we fucking deserve it. We did it. We did what we said. Did it.
Holy shit!
Well done.
Oh my God!
Dicks on 3. 1, 2, 3, dicks.
Here with the friggin' bald eagle. Let's go.
Oh, dude.
Second place.
Second place.
How'd you feel when you seen our names first and second?
Dude, I seen it and I was like,
Dude, I swear before the announcements happened, I looked your way and you were like this.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's either great or bad, and I'm along for the ride.
I was like,
I'm
oh,
here for
fuck.
it.
I was
I'm
like,
here for it.
dude, absolutely unreal.
Holy fuck.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I've got no voice left, so I'm going to
also,
stop this
before
video.
you end that, you fucking killed it today. I'm so proud of you.
No.
Holy fuck.
I did feel like I screwed it up.
You did good. Yeah, that's P, don't worry.
Oh,
You did good, kids. You did good.
thanks, boys. Yeah, I'll grab that.
Dad
beer
and
off you
Mom's
too.
proud.
No.
Can I drive your car next time?
Man, you want to drive it? You can fucking drive it, bro.
I want to drive his car.
Man, we just had the best time. I'm not going to waffle on too longer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like
You want
button.
your discount code for Militus Sunnies? Hit up this man.
25, oh fuck, I'm not wearing them. 25% off. Use code Cuddles on militus.com.
Yeah.
You want the finest sunglasses and the safest eyes? You know where to go. And you got a discount.
You heard it here first. www.cuddlesburnouts.com for that fresh merch. Pants tight, futures bright. Let's go!
Don't stare right at the fucking shit. I'm looking at the camera, bro.